Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create QR code using Microsoft Excel. So first, let's start off with blank workbook. Then from here, let's go over to Insert. Then click on Get Add-ins. So in the search bar, we can search for QR, then press Enter. You can see a bunch of QR add-ins in this section. So let's try getting this QR for Office. Just click on Add, then press on Continue. So now QR for Office is now added in our Excel. Just enter the URL or text that you want to add. Say for example, I just want to add facebook.com. You can also customize the URL. You can choose different colors. Then click on Insert. And from here, you have now successfully added the QR code just by using Microsoft Excel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily create QR code just by using Microsoft Excel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!